How to remove title in Spender app. Are you guys facing issue to remove title in Spender app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To remove title in Spender app, first of all, open Spender app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. Now, tap the plus button or just simply head over to the title that you want to remove from the home screen. Once you click on the title, look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see this dustbin icon or uninstall icon. Tap on this dustbin icon and click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, your title will be instantly removed from Spender application. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to remove Spender app title list. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.